welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it'd be super fun if we did a personality type test, and this is the MBTI personalities test, and that's like if you're an introvert, if you're extrovert. I think I might be an introvert, so yeah, I just went to 16personalities.com. And yeah, I'm super excited to find out my personality type. So let's enjoy vibrant social events with lots of people. And I hit the third agree, so I do, but it can be kind of like draining sometimes. So the second question, do you often spend time exploring unrealistic yet intriguing ideas? Strongly agree. Your travel plans are more likely to look like a rough list of ideas than a detailed itinerary. Sort of agree. You often think about what you should have said in a conversation long after it has taken place. Yes, I do this all the time. I always replay conversations in my head, and I'm just like, why did I say that? I could have said something else. So the next question is, if your friend is sad about something, your first instinct is to support them emotionally and not try to solve the problem. Agree. I do. People rarely can upset you. Sort of disagree. You often rely on other people to be the ones to start a conversation and keep it going. Sort of agree. If you have to temporarily put your plans on hold, you make sure it is your top priority to get back on track as soon as possible. Nope, I don't. I'm the worst at keeping plans. You rarely worry if you made a good impression on someone you met. Do I rarely worry if I've made a good impression? Agree? Oh, I do. I disagree with that. I do worry. It would be a challenge for you to spend the whole weekend all by yourself without feeling bored. Disagree. I love spending time by myself. You're more of a detail-oriented person than a big picture person. Disagree. You're very affectionate with people you care about. Strongly agree. You have a careful and methodical approach to life. Strongly disagree. You are still bothered by mistakes you made a long time ago. Strongly agree. At parties and similar events, you can mostly be found farther away from the action. Agree. You often find it difficult to relate to people who let their emotions guide them. Strongly agree. Actually, I strongly disagree. So you guys, I'm gonna do the remainder of this test, and we will find out the results when I'm done. You rarely feel insecure. Oh my goodness. Okay, so guys, I just finished the test, and so my personality type is mediator, which I think is pretty cool. INFPT. So it says for the mind, this trait determines how we interact with our environment. I'm 75% introverted. Energy, the trait shows where we direct our mental energy. I'm 92% intuitive. Nature, this trait determines how we make decisions and cope with emotions. 92% feeling, that sounds correct. tactics. This trait reflects our approach to work, planning, and decision making. 67% prospecting. Identity. This trait underpins all others, showing how confident we are in our abilities and decisions. 71% turbulent. So, let's see. Introduction. Mediator personalities are true idealists, always looking for the hint of good in even the worst of people and events, searching for ways to make things better. While they may be perceived as calm, reserved, or even shy, mediators have an inner flame. They look to honor beauty, morality, and virtue. Mediators are led by the purity of their intent, not rewards and punishments. People who share the mediator personality type are proud of this quality, and rightly so, but not everyone understands the drive behind these feelings, and it can lead to isolation. We know what we are, but know not what we may be. At their best, these qualities enable mediators to communicate deeply with others, easily speaking in metaphors and parables, and understanding and creating symbols to share their ideas. Fantasy worlds in particular fascinate mediators more than any other personality type. The strength of their visionary communication style lends itself well to creative works. Oh man, I'm in art school. And it comes as no surprise that many famous mediators are poets, writers, and actors or artists. Understanding themselves and their place in the world is important to mediators, and as they explore these ideas by projecting themselves into their works. Oh man, that's so exciting. Okay guys, so that was super fun. So again, I'm the mediator personality type, INFPA or INFPT. I am INFPT, diplomat, constant improvement. So that was really fun. So let me know down below, you guys, if you've taken this test, if you're gonna take this test, leave your personality type. Maybe we're the same personality type. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.